Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's Thornton Hough Village Club quiz. And as usual, we're going to start off this week's quiz with general knowledge. Okay, so question one is, as we all know, this year's Summer Olympics has been postponed by a year. But which city is scheduled to host the 2024 Summer Olympics? So question one, which city is set to host the 2024 Summer Olympics? Okay, question two in general knowledge. As you can tell from my delightfully cultured tone, I'm from the UK's premier city of Liverpool. But question two is about what used to be referred to as BBC English, i.e. posh. And it was sometimes referred to as RP English. The question is, what does RP stand for? So question two, when we sometimes used to refer to BBC English, i.e. posh English, like the Queen's English, it was sometimes referred to as RP English. What does RP stand for? Okay, question three is a geometry question. What do we call a triangle where all three sides are equal? So in geometry, what do we call a triangle where all three sides are equal in length? Question four is a Monopoly question. Which two properties are coloured brown on the UK Monopoly board? That's half a point for each correct answer. So question four, which two properties are coloured brown on the UK Monopoly board? Okay, this is question five, and we want to know which metal is the main component of pewter. Question five, which metal is the main component of pewter? Okay, so question six is a news question. We allegedly don't officially have a Deputy Prime Minister in the UK, but as we found out due to the Prime Minister's recent hospitalisation, we do have a Deputy Prime Minister. So the question is, who in this curious year of 2020 is the Deputy Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? So who in this year of 2020 is the de facto Deputy Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Okay, so here we are at Thornton Manor. There's the gatehouse there, and although you can't see it, trust me, Thornton Manor is behind that gatehouse. And this was the home of the Viscount Leverhulme. The original Viscount Leverhulme was William Hesketh Lever, and he was the man responsible for Thornton Hough the way it is today. He redeveloped Thornton Hough in the late 19th, early 20th century. So question seven is, William Hesketh Lever briefly stood as MP for Wirral. For what party did William Hesketh Lever serve as Wirral MP? So question seven, for which party did William Hesketh Lever, the Viscount Leverhulme, serve as MP for Wirral? So question eight is, back in the 70s, boxing legend Henry Cooper suggested that we, i.e. the male of the species, should splash what all over? Question eight, back in the 70s, Boxing legend Henry Cooper suggested that we, the male of the species, should splash what all over? Question 9 is the Sane Hadron Collider is located on the outskirts of which city? Question 9. The Sane Hadron Collider is located on the outskirts of which city? And finally, in this round, question 10 is which word beginning with M is something intended to assist memory? So question 10, which word beginning with M is something intended to assist memory?